ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸನ್ದು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್? An insurance claim is formal request by a policy holder to an insurer company for a loss or damage or policy event. How do you calculate claim amount? Step 1, preparation of trading account. Step 2, calculation of rate of gross profit. ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ನೆಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 3, ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಮೊರಾಂಡಮ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 4, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 5, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈರ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? An average clause is an applied to find out value of claim where the value of stock on date of fire is more than the value of insured stock. Who is an insurer or insured? The person who has suffered the loss or shift to the insurer is called insured. Insurer, the person who agrees to bear the risk of loss arising on account of loss of stock, property, profits, etc. due to calamities and compensatives such as loss is called insurer. What is subject matter? Subject matter refers to the subject or entity that is life, property or which is insured against which the policy is taken. Write the formula for insurance claims. Already the insurance claim is equal to policy amount into actual loss divided by stock and date of fire. Next question, what is premium? The consideration for which insurer will take up the burden of loss is called premium. Next, royalty accounts lesson in the first one, what is royalty? Royalty is the made to legal owners of a property, patent, copyrights by those who wish to make use of it for the purpose of generating revenues. Second question, what is minimum rent or dead rent? It is an minimum amount of rent or consideration payable to the lessor by lessee for the use of assets, irrespective of sales or production achieved. What do you mean by short working? Short working is an excess of minimum rent over the actual royalty. What do you mean by short working recoupment? It is the process of recovery of short working where the royalty is less than minimum rent against the surplus. Actual royalty is higher than the minimum rent. Write the general entries in the books of landlord or lessor for the amount of irrecoverable short working. P&L account or production account debit to short working account. Next one, how irrecoverable short working is closed. Irrecoverable short working is closed by transferring it to the production or P&L account as business loss to the lessee. Methods of recoupment of short working: fixed recoupment method, floating recoupment method, lifetime recoupment method. Meaning of surplus: it is the excess of actual royalty amount over the minimum rent. It shall be used to recover the short working. Next, meaning of royalty agreements: a legal agreement made between lessee and lessor to use the assets or copyrights of lessor by lessee for commercial purpose. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ನ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫ್ಲೋಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಚ್ ಇಯರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ನ ಈಚ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ನ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್, conversion of single entry into double entry. First one, what is single entry system? Single entry system is a system of bookkeeping in which for some transaction both the aspects are recorded, for some only one aspect is recorded, and for some transaction no record is made. Mention the types of single entry system: pure single entry system, simple single entry system, quasi single entry system. What are the disadvantages of single entry system? No arithmetical accuracy, difficult to ascertain financial position, encourage fraud, comparison is difficult, lack of business statistics. What is double entry system? A double entry system refers to the system in which the accounts are maintained in a book. Double entry books have two opposite and corresponding entries that are known as credit or debit. Next question. Write the difference between single entry and double entry system. Single entry system, double entry system. All person all personal, real and nominal accounts are maintained. Only personal account and cash account are maintained. Single entry system alli trial balance can be prepared. Double entry system trial balance cannot be prepared. Trading and P&L account can be prepared to find out gross profit and net profit. In double entry system, trading and P&L account cannot be prepared. Next question. What is pure single entry system? Pure single entry system under which only personal accounts are maintained, that is debtors and creditors accounts, but no subsidiary books are maintained. Why statement of affairs are prepared? The statement of affairs must be prepared in a described form. Its purpose is to enable the shareholders and creditors to have an understanding of the current financial position of the company. Next, advantages of single entry system. It is very simple and easy to maintain. This system is economical, that is less costly and small in size. Next to departmental accounts. What are the basis for allocation of following expenses? ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕ್ವಶನು. ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ನೆಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯೇಜ್ ಔಟ್ವರ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ನೆಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ನೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ರೆಂಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೈಡ್, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ನೆಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್, ಪವರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೈಡ್. ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What do you mean by interdepartmental transfer? Interdepartmental transfer refers to the selling of goods by one department to another department. Objectives of departmental accounts: to find out the results and performance of each department. It helps in decision making, to provide a basis for remuneration for employee of various departments. What are the methods of maintaining departmental accounts? Singular method, columnar method. Next, average due date lesson. What is average due date? An average due date is a date on which several debts can be due on different dates can be paid by a single payment without any loss of interest either to debtors or creditors. What is the meaning of account current? An account current is a statement of transaction which represents running transaction between the parties. Formula for calculating an average due date. Average due date is equal to base days plus or minus total of products divided by total of amount.